Hey folks, Vortex here and welcome to my review of the Antlion Audio ModMic USB 2. So this is the updated version. There's also a uni version which basically uses your own mic cable on your computer or laptop or something like that. But I've picked the USB version because personally for me, my PC has a poor mic in. So this USB version would solve that for me. And this is priced around $90 I think, and I think the uni is about 60, so it's a little bit cheaper. Anyway, you can see USB-A to Type-C. Yeah, as usual, full disclaimers, I'd like to thank Antlion Audio themselves for sending it to me, so thank you very much. I was not paid to do this video, and all thoughts, opinions are my own, as per usual. And yeah, so meant to be, obviously, Antlion Audio does really quality microphones, and obviously I did review the Kimura Duo. Obviously it's been a few months now and the microphones on that set was really good, so obviously I expect nothing less. And yeah, let's just get into it. So let's have a closer look. So you can see USB 2, the new version, upgraded microphone, flexible steel arm, powerful magnetic clasp. Obviously that's you stick that on the side of your headphones, so you have to see what that's like. Comes with an adapter which is useful, 2-meter cable. So that should be long enough to go from the back of your computer, for example, up to where you sit. Obviously you can mute it, obviously that's important. And the termination, again, I've just opened this, but I haven't actually looked inside this box. Again, Antlion Audio, they're meant to be like really good microphones. Comes with a case. Nothing in there. Okay, ooh, so we got some stuff. Alcohol prep pad, only comes with one, but again that's everything you come with. These are to attach your cables together, you can see there. Obviously because your cables will probably come from separate places, well they will do if in my case. USB-A to Type-C, very useful, or USB direct. Let's have a look at this one. There we go. So USB-A, I like that it's got that. So we can get this out. Okay, so quite large, obviously you can expect. So that's what you stick it onto. One of these, as you can see here, stick that onto there. Obviously they've kept one attached. See here. These magnets are actually quite strong. Microphone side there, as you can see. So it should this should fit on the, looks like the left hand side of your headphones, because the mic's obviously on the inside, and obviously that takes off some of the strain. Instruction manual, obviously I'll have a look at that in a bit. And yeah, so quite looking forward to this. Again, these are meant to be really good. So anyway, I'll see you in the future when I've tried this on a couple of headphones. So obviously there's one supplied, so it should be 2. So it looks like you can use it for 2 pairs of headphones, and 1, 2, 3, I think 4, 5, maybe 6 of these cable tidy things to keep it together. And yeah, so yeah, I'll see you in the future. So welcome to my review section of the Antlion Audio ModMic USB 2. Obviously there's a uni version, so as you can see it's high enough on the side. Now I did not pick the uni version is because my PC personally has a poor microphone input. So even with using the uni version of this, I'd still have a problem. So yeah, I picked the USB version, which obviously solves that problem, which obviously you'll hear about now. So in a sec I'm going to put a microphone clip on, listen to it, see what you think. I think it sounds great. So yeah, here's the clip. So here's a quick microphone test of the Antlion Audio ModMic USB 2. I'm using this in Windows to record this using Audacity. I'm about 85% kind of gain in Windows. It's probably about maybe 2 inches from my mouth and slightly to the side. And this is what it sounds like. And obviously I'm speaking at a normal speaking volume. I'm not shouting, and this is what it sounds like. So please do let me know in the comments what you think of the actual quality of this microphone. So yeah, you heard it. I think it sounds great. Just let me know what you think of it, really. And yeah, so also I'm going to overlay a clip now what it looks like basically unravelled. So obviously in packaging it's obviously how it's wound together. So I've opened it up and it's actually 2 meters in length. So obviously that's what it looks like. See, it's fairly straight, so obviously in time it should be better. And that's that. So yeah, not too bad at all. And also now I'm going to show you what I've got it set up on my Sivga Phoenix. So it shows you how you actually put them together. And it comes with like the 5 clips. So the larger hole on the clip is to put the headphone wire through, and then the thinner hole is for the actual microphone. It works well. Again, hopefully those in time the kinks work themselves out. And yeah, so obviously now you've seen all that. This is what it looks like on a headphone. So here's my Sivga Phoenix. So this is the left side. So the uni version I think you use on the right hand side. This is you on the left. Now I chose this for 2 reasons. One, see, it's got the back is open, and see it's not completely like a smooth finish, so it should be harder to grip, so that's a good test. And 2, this is actually curved. It's hard to see, but see it's curved, so it's a good test to see how rigid that is, and it's very rigid. So obviously this is what it looks like in place. Simple as that. You can see further away. So yeah, obviously on the front, again, it works absolutely fine. Obviously you can flip it up, flip it down. Make sure the Antlion Audio logo, you can see here, just see there, that's away from your mouth. Obviously this is towards. You can see it's just in there, pop filter. I always use it on. Also the mute button, which is just right here, this glows red when it's in use. I tried to take a photograph, but it seems to just blow the camera out. It looks like pink on the camera, but this glows red when it's muted. So absolutely perfect for stuff like that. So what do I think of these? I think it's great. Now obviously at £90 it's expensive, and about £60 for the Uni 3. Obviously it's kind of a hack to attach it on your headphones, as you can see. I've attached it, as you can see here, like I told you before. Yeah, so really, really good. Best thing I've ever tried so far for USB mic, as it should be for the money. I'm at about say like 85% in Windows. Open back headphone is better because you don't have to use some like side load software to hear yourself. You know, when you talk back to yourself with a pair of open back headphones, you don't need to worry about stuff like that. And yeah, obviously expensive. I like the fit. But one thing to note is where these end up. So before on a note, so obviously here, this is the end basically. So for me, my amp, which this goes into, is the Topping E30 and L30 combo, is on my desk, but my PC is on the floor. So luckily I've got enough to actually spread them apart. So my split is way up. You can see here. So I can split from a desk either way. So just bear that in mind. If they're both basically in the same place. So if this is going into your computer and this is going into your computer, much better, especially like on the front or maybe right in the back where the audio connectors are. And that's it. So yes, so £90. Great sound quality. Slight hack for it to work, as you say, it's a little bit cumbersome. Obviously the wireless version solves that because there's no wires. And yeah, I think it works absolutely well. I like it. Again, it's, you know, it's not cheap, so get a closer look. So yeah, good. I like what they are. It works absolutely well, as you can see here. Probably work a little bit better with a headphone with one wire, maybe on the left. But I thought I'd try kind of worst case scenario. And yeah, good stuff. I think it works well. This has replaced my Tonar USB mic setup on my desk. And yeah, good stuff. Obviously, it does come with only two of these from memory. One on there, I think one in the box. So that's it. If you need to buy more, you can buy all this stuff separate. And the alcohol pads and other adhesives. So yeah, I think that's it. So if you think I missed anything, please do let me know in the comments. As per usual, thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll see you in the next video. And it's always good to review something a little bit different. So yeah, see you in the next video.